Okay, we got another problem here. This mower only goes down, only cuts at about 3 inches. That's the highest it's go. It's actually about 2 3/4. And so I read where you could take this wire, this is the cable that raises and lowers it, take it out of this hole and put it in this hole. So that's what I'm doing. Okay, I got it off there. It's like a paper clip, so I just spread it a little bit and pushed it. Came right off. Okay, when I did that, I had this about 7 notches down. Now that I got it loose, I got to push it down a few more notches and see if I can get it in that hole. Okay, not quite. Let me go down to the bottom. Okay, right there. Okay, I've got it in the lower hole. I'm going to do the same to the other side. Now I'm doing this with the deck on, and I did take the cover off of this side. I also have some boards, probably about 1.5 inches underneath the deck on both sides. Okay, on this side the hole is there, but it's real hard to see. It's right down behind here. I'm going to try to do this without taking this loose. Okay, I just went ahead and pulled that pin out because there wasn't really much tension on it. Because I got the deck supported right here with a log, and I got this lever all the way down. So I'll try to take that pin out. Looks like I got about 1/2 inch or more here than I had before, so. Okay, so I did this side without taking this cover off, and I measured, and I'm just under 4 inches blade height. And now it did ruin my front to back leveling, so I'm gonna have to raise the front now and make that just 1/4 inch or so lower than the back blades. I'm just using a stick like this to measure my height. It fits under there good. And I measured the blades at the highest setting. So this mower advertises it cuts 4 inches high, so it really does, but you have to have those, you have to have the wire there that we just changed in the right place. Okay, to raise the deck, I just got a 19mm that I'm putting on here, right here. It's at the very front of the mower. Now, I'm just cheating a little bit. I'm measuring the height of this edge of this metal here and right up here. And I'm just getting it so that the front here is just about 1/4 inch lower. Now, I'm running into a little bit of a problem. As I raise the deck, it is pushing against that bar. And the bar cannot go back much further. It's kind of a bad design. I guess I'll just raise it as much as I can. I don't think I can bend that bar back. Yeah, that little piece of a frame needs to be cut, and a notch needs to be cut in it, but I'm not going to do it now. Okay, I just can't get it up here. I just can't get this up any higher, but what I'm going to do is change this wheel and put it in the lowest position. For now, I know they're not supposed to touch, but that'll keep the blades up at 4 inches. Okay, I was able to get it 1 inch higher. It was at 2 3/4. Then I moved the cables and I raised the front of the deck. You can see it's raised about as much as it can be raised. And I only got it to 3 3/4 inches high, but that's a lot better than 2 3/4.